TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Tuesday. We're kicking off June trading and markets accelerating to the downside out of the gates. Right now, you have the S&Ps technically in positive territory. We came into the opening bell, though, solid 25 points of where we're trading at right now at about 42.30. You put things on the daily, you're talking about only about 8 points from all-time highs in the S&P before you give it up right out of the gate at 9:30. Yes, 9:30, you accelerate from 42.30. We're sitting right near the lower boundary line. We've been down here since about 10:15 this morning, 42.05 in the S&Ps. Tech stocks pulling back as well, 13,655 on the NASDAQ 100, down by about 30 points. The Dow was up to 34,827 within about 175 points of all-time highs on the Dow. We're still up about 0.4%, but we gave up about 200 points at one point, 34,645 in the Russell, the strongest, up about 0.7%, 22.84. Crude market giving back some of the gains as well, but still quite a price tag. We're up $1.43 to 68.87. Crude trades lower at 11 a.m. from about 68.80 down to 67.74. We just saw the highest prices we've seen in that crude market since 2018. Remarkable. Gold contract was higher, gave up some of the gains, was just under 1,900, back above that level, 1901 in the price of gold. Silver had been higher to 28.71. Silver really gives it up down to 28.09. And notes and bonds this morning, we have some lower price and higher yield so far this morning. We're talking about a yield. We're flirting with 1.62% right now. We've been as high as about 1.63 to 1.64%. The yield on the 10-year will jump over to the volatility index. Get a little sell-off in the market, and the VIX spikes to 1840. We're sitting at 1802. All right, what else we're looking at this morning? Can't help but look at AMC. They're raising almost $250 million. They're selling shares above Friday's close, and already whoever bought those, they're in the positive. AMC up another 17% today. It just won't stop in that stock. And what else we got going on? What I want to look at, this is the one I wanted to talk about. So we got non-farm payrolls on Friday. How about only 28% of U.S. workers, office workers, back in their buildings? Only 28%. I was talking about this morning. Interesting to see non-farm payrolls coming up on Friday. But right now, folks, we got our man Larry Pesavento. He's in the saddle coming up live with his program Trade What You See. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento is coming up right now.